Now we will discussing what is variable. What is variables? A variable is a name. A variable is a name, comma, which is used to store the data for future use or future purpose. A variable is a name which is used to store the data for future use or future purpose. Next one, syntax. How to define the variables in Python? This syntax we are using. Variable name equal to value. Variable name equal to value. Now observing very clearly, x equal to 10. This is a valid. My underscore name underscore 123 equal to Shiva. Now my underscore name underscore 123 Shiva is printed. Y equal to 23. Now underscore y, it is also valid. I am trying to take it as a digit, as a identifier starting with a digit. Next one, don't assigning these keywords. For suppose and is a one keyword, and equal to 34. Break is a one keyword. For suppose I am using capital BREAK, it is valid because our break is a small b, that is a keyword, but this is not a keyword. That's why we are calling as a Python is a case sensitive. Python is a case sensitive language. Next one, my underscore name equal to Shiva. My @name equal to Shiva. Observing very clearly these examples. Next one, another error message, cannot assign expression here. Next one, if we want to assign single, or if we want to assign single value to the multiple variables at a time, in that case we are using following syntax. Variable 1 equal to variable 2 equal to variable and so on. Variable n equal to value. X equal to y equal to z equal to 10. Now x value is 10, y value is 10, z value is 10. If we want to assign single value to the multiple variables at a time, in that case we are using following syntax. This is the syntax. Next one, if we want to assign multiple or different values to different variables at a time, in that case we are using following syntax. Variable 1 comma variable 2 comma up to so on. Variable n equal to value 1, value 2 up to so on value n. In Python, the right side post value is assigning to left side post variable, right side second value is assigning to left side second variable, right side nth value is assigning to left side nth variable. This is the internal assignment procedure. Now a comma b comma c equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30. Now a value 10, b value 20, c value 30. Next, observing very clearly. This is the example. Next one, for suppose I am taken as a x equal to multiple variables I am assigning. Now it is possible in Python. These multiple values are converting into single object that is called tuple object. For suppose I am taken as a p comma q comma r comma s equal to x. Now p value is 1, q value is 1, 2, r value is 3, s value is 4. For suppose I am taken as a comma b comma c, here I am assigning one value, will get the error message. A comma b comma c, here I am assigning 1 comma 2 values. A comma b comma c equal to 2, 3, 4, again I will get the error message. Now observing very clearly. Now observing these examples. Next, for suppose I am trying to take in as a 1000 or 10,000. In that case, now it is assigning 10 comma 0. But my requirement, I want to take the 1000. In that situation, 10,000, only this format. Or otherwise, one more format, underscore we are using. Now simply that underscore is ignoring. Number of zeros means 0. That value is 0. Number of zeros means that value is 0. Okay, number of zeros, that means we can pass this number of zeros, that number of zeros value is 0. Next one, in Python we can assign, that means in Python the variable names are unlimited length. That means I want to take as one variable name and a number of variables. That is unlimited length. There is no limitation. In Python, the variable names are unlimited length. Next one more example. Write a program to perform swapping of two numbers. Without or with a temporary variable. Write a program to perform swapping of two numbers with a temporary variable. Now I am open the one file. Initially x comma y equal to 10 comma 20. Print x comma y, temp equal to x equal to y equal to temp. Next, print x comma y. Meaningfully, I am providing one message before swapping, after swapping, Okay, now I'm saving that file at desktop location swapping.py. Okay, swapping means exchanging the values. For suppose x value is 10 and y value is 20. Now this value is passing to x and this value is passing to y. Okay, now x value is 20 and y value is 10. That is called swapping operation. Python space swapping.py before swapping 1020, after swapping 2010. 2010. Swapping.py. Swapping.py. Now this is the simple example. One more example. By my requirement, before swapping x equal to x value I want to print it, and y equal to y value I want to print it. After swapping x equal to x value and y equal to y value. Now I'm observing very clearly. I'm trying to executing one more time. Now before swapping x equal to 10 and y equal to 20, after swapping x equal to 20 and y equal to 10. This is also one option. Swapping.py. Okay, here I am using two variables. That's why two string formats I am written. Within the one single string format, I am trying to writing that logic. Now, for suppose within the string, we can representing the integer values. We can represent the integer values by using %d. If you want to represent the floating point values by using %f. If you want to representing the string values by using %s, we are using %d, %f, %s. %d for integer, %f for float, %s for string values. Now here by using %d and y equal to y value is also %d. After that one, like as in Python, we are using symbol x comma y. X equal to %d and y equal to %d. Percentile of x comma y. X comma y. Now one more time I am trying to executing. X equal to 10, y equal to 20, x equal to 20 and y equal to 10. Swapping.py. Swapping.py. Now this is my output. Now observing very clearly execution flow. Initially this value is passing to this one and this value is passing to this one. Now x value is 10, y value is 20. Now temp variable contain x value x equal to y value is contain x variable, temp value is contain y variable, 10, 20, 10. This value is passing to here, this value is passing to here. After swapping x equal to 20 and y equal to 10. That is the execution flow. If anybody any doubt, please clarify your doubts. Next one, another example, without any temporary variable, without any temporary variable, without any temporary variable, without temporary variable. Now how to performing that on? Simply one option, x equal to x plus y and y equal to x minus y and x equal to x minus y. Now observing very clearly, without any temporary variable, without any temporary variable. This entire logic, later I am explaining one more option. Now observing very clearly, this value is passing to x, this value is passing to y, x value is 10, y value is 20, this value is passing to here, this value is passing to here. Next one, x plus y means that result is 30. 30 minus 20. Now y value is 10. Okay, x value is 30, y value is 10. 30 minus 10, now x value is 20. X value is 20. 20, 10. This value is passing to here. Now this value is passing to here. That is the execution flow. Same logic. This is like nothing but a C language format. Same logic, I am trying to implement it pure Python code, x comma y equal to y comma x, y comma x. This is the logic. Okay. Now this class we will discussing keywords, identifiers, variables. Keywords, identifiers, variables.